yeah, we got a fire going. We're out here fishing on the Guadalupe River. Mostly you'll always see tubers here, but we catfishing today. And we got some cut carp. Here's the truck all set up. It is raining on us. There was no forecast for rain, so I'm gonna cook some sausages here in a little bit. We got a little cooking station. We got some pizza, so we eat some snack on pizza. Got our s'more stuff, some tortillas, the little fishing. It's a little heater. We're gonna plug it in or have it up in the rooftop tent tonight. We got our chairs all out. We got my little station for cut bait, hand washing station. We got our ice chest right there full of drinks and water. We got a battery just in case we need it, and we're gonna put on our lights a little bit later so we can have our camp lights.
More expensive, of course, but
we got a Rome Adventures
you know, as long as we don't have to buy it.
rooftop tent, keeping them nice and dry. We do have the annex room thing, but we don't have it hooked up right now. This is my old Chevy Silverado. Looking good. Look at that. That's how we're set up right now. Table's wet. We were gonna use it, but it's wet, so we're just gonna eat on our laps and stuff. We're just making sausages with tortillas for tonight, and we got pizza and some s'mores. Nothing crazy. Only thing missing on my truck right now that I want to get is some gas tanks for that side. And that's pretty much all I need, man. I have these tracks just in case I get stuck in the sand when I go to the beach. I go to the beach a lot. And then I'm gonna set up another box just for like silverware utensils, paper towels, all that crazy stuff, spices. But we got 3 rods out. 2 of them have carp for bait, and then one of them has a hot dog. And I just lit this, and I got a little bit of firewood for the night. Not very much, but it'll be enough. All right, guys, I'll catch y'all later. I will come back if I catch a fish. We'll go. I'll hit that record button and give y'all a look at what we caught. We're at camp. I can't remember, Camp Riverview or something. I'll definitely put a link on the bottom and I get it right. On the Guadalupe over here in New Braunfels. So, the place is beautiful, man. So, stay tuned. You're gonna see some more fishing video, catching catfish after this. Peace. Don't get so close to the water, please. Here. No, that's it. That's it. No more. That's all they get. High five. High five. High five. High five.
No one touched it.
Yeah, they all got some tortillas. grab the net, Milo?
Yeah.
I can't see down there. I don't know what it is. Cat. It's a good sized cat, dang it.
It's a cat?
Gotcha.
Oh, nice.
Quick, Lena! We got a catfish!
Oh, that is a good sized
This is the
catfish.
cat. Boom! We're doing good, buddy.
Dang, what's he about 18, 20 inches, right?
Oh, wow.
Is that big? I don't know.
This is a channel cat. Oh man, he got him through the eye.
Aw.
Poor buddy.
That's a good sized fish.
Yes, sir, it
Okay.
is, man. Not bad.
That's a big
You just gotta be patient. We've been out here all day, like there ain't no fish here.
I heard the heat.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Lena. There you go.
Come here, buddy. No, you gonna open your mouth for me? No. Yeah, fine, man. I'm sorry, bro. I got your eye. I feel very bad for you.
Come over here.
Okay. Got one. That's off of, what do you call it? Carp.
Oh. Oh, you got another one.
No way.
Right here.
No way.
Yes.
They're coming out. Oh, yeah, you do got another one.
Got another one. Are you putting him back?
He'll be alright.
No, but I mean, are you keeping him?
Yeah, I'm not keeping it. Nope.
He come off? No, he's still there.
No, he's not there. No, he's not there.
He got off? Are you putting him back?
Yeah, I'm gonna put him back. I'm gonna measure him. Come back. I'm gonna
Okay.
get a picture of it. That boy don't want to open his mouth. He has a weird mouth. Dude, he has a weird mouth. There you go. Ready?
Well, it's in the video.
Yeah. Oh, let me turn off my light.
Do you want me to stop the video?
Yeah, you can stop the video.